This is our AI project Monday that we created 5 months ago and we forgot about it. Well, certainly not, because I asked you guys what functionalities should we add and you guys didn't respond it. I mean, those videos didn't got the attention that they deserve, which is not cool. So go ahead and watch those videos to know what we have done so far. And if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and also enable notifications to never miss an update. So I will give you guys a quick rundown on what we have done so far. We have made the speak function so that it could speak. Then we made a recognizer so that it could know what we are saying. After that, we made a wishing system based on time, made it to search info from Wikipedia and open websites like Google, YouTube, Stack Overflow. So it's a solid AI that could. But as you read the description, this AI is kind of like Jarvis. But Jarvis can do a lot more than that. It can set alarm, send notification, and handle a bunch of other stuff. Okay, enough talking shit. Let's start coding. First up, let's make it to set an alarm. So if you guys remember from the last video, I built that alarm clock to be integrated with my AI Monday. Well, if you didn't watch that video, I will leave a link down in the description. Okay, first come here and write elif alarm in query, then try. Now come here in the alarm clock project, then copy the code and paste it inside the try block. After that, erase the import moduling lines and then replace date input variable to command, and before that speak when. Now before this time inputting variable, right, speak uh, please write the alarm time. At last, speak alarm has been set. Then write an error block. I know error is kind of scary, but you have to give it something so that in case of error, it can show what is wrong, what had gone wrong. So except exception exception as f, then print f and speak failed to set the alarm. Okay. Now if we run it,
Good evening. I am Monday. How can I help you?
Monday set an alarm.
When?
For today.
Please write the alarm time. Alarm has been set.
Now let's wait for the alarm to be triggered.
Twelve seconds later.
Okay, it worked. Now, modern AIs can tell you joke. So far, our AI Monday can't tell a joke, but it can now. First, install the PyJokes module. Then import it. Now write elif joke in query. Then speak PyJokes dot get joke. Now if we run it
Good evening.
and say,
I am Monday. How can I help you?
Monday, tell me a joke.
I suggested holding a Python object-oriented programming seminar, but the acronym was unpopular.
Okay, it told me a joke. Modern AIs can also play music. From now, our AI can do it too. Uh, First, install the PyWhatHit module. Then import it. Give another condition, else let's say play in query. Then define a variable to delete or cancel the play from the query. So music variable will be query dot replace, and it will replace play. Oh, sorry, play with an empty string, and done. And now we will use our pivot kit module and dot play on YT, which means play on YouTube. So play on YouTube and it will play the music. Okay, let's see, and what should I play right now? Now if we run it,
Good evening. I am Monday, how can I help you?
Play Don't You Let Me Down. Okay, it played the music for me. So as you can see, it also can play music, and we are going to do a bunch more stuff with this AI in future installments. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and consider subscribing our channel and enable notifications, because we are going to do a bunch more cool stuff on this AI. You guys can drop a comment if you want a certain functionality to be inserted in this AI, and I will give you a mention in the video, I promise. So that's all for today, and we hope to see you guys in the next one.